Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're doing well inshallah. I'm in a very special city today, arrived today, and we are here to film a video for a new song. It's a surprise, and I want you guys to guess where I am. If you know where I am, let me know inshallah. And now we are at Hassan Pasha, opposite side. MashaAllah, this city is so beautiful. I didn't know, this is my first time I come here. I mean, I came here during the earthquakes, unfortunately, but that was like a quick. But now I get to see the city a little bit, mashallah. It's beautiful, beautiful, like old style, old town, mashallah, beautiful. And now we have reached the spot, beautiful place also, on, let me see if I say it right, on Gözlü Köprü, I think it's correct. So, very famous bridge here in Diyarbakir. Beautiful scenery. Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're doing well inshallah. Today is the second day shoot, and we are at the airport in Diyarbakir, and we got permission to film inside the airport. This is where I'm coming and arriving at Diyarbakir, and it's gonna be in the video inshallah. Now we are in Keçi Burcu, and we will have the small concert that will be at the end of the song. A lot of people here. And here are more musicians. Inshallah, we're gonna have a small concert here. It's a beautiful place, mashallah. Diyarbakir!